Have you ever hit a point where your mind is running, but your soul feels like walking miles behind you, where you are functioning, performing, achieving, but inside something feels drained, heavy, or out of alignment? If you are nodding right now, you are not alone. And today, I want to talk about something most high achievers don't realise they need, but deeply crave. Energy healing for burnout recovery. Not just resting your body, but repairing your energy system so you can feel calm, alive and whole again. Because burnout isn't just mental, it's energetic. What burnout really is energetically. Most people think burnout happens because of workloads, deadline, stress or pressure. But those are just surface level triggers. Burnout is what happens when your inner energy field gets depleted faster than it can replenish. Think of your energy system like a rechargeable battery. Every decision drains a little. Every responsibility drains more. Every unresolved emotion drains even more. And high achievers, you are operating on overdrive, running your entire life from your mind, while your body and your energy system are quietly waving a little white flag. Energetically, burnout often shows up as feeling hollow or disconnected, waking up tired no matter how much you sleep, feeling emotionally flat, losing creativity, losing interest in things that used to excite you, a tight chest, tight jaw, or heaviness around the heart. These are not random symptoms. They are messages. Your energy is saying you are living outside of your alignment. Come back home. Why traditional solutions don't fully work. Most people try to fix burnout by doing things like taking a few days off, meditating, going for a walk, sleeping in, taking supplements, watching motivational videos. These help, but they address the deeper issue. Your system is energetically fractured. You can rest your body, but if your energy field is still fragmented, overwhelmed, or carrying emotional weight, you'll feel drained again within days. It's like pouring water into a bucket full of holes. Burnout recovery requires energetic restoration, not just relaxation. What energy healing actually does. When people hear about energy healing, they often think of woohoo concepts. But the truth is more grounded. Energy healing simply means clearing what's draining you and restoring what empowers you. Energetic burnout comes from carrying emotional tension you never process it. Taking on others' stress. Overextending your boundaries. Living in fight or flight mode. Ignoring intuition. silencing your body's signal. Energy healing helps you rebalance your nervous system, clear emotional blocks, strengthening energetic boundaries, restore your personal power, shift from high functioning stress to regulated calm, reconnect with your internal energy source. When your energy recovers, your mind becomes sharper, your emotions settles, and you begin to feel like yourself again. A simple 5-minute energy reset. Let me guide you through a simple exercise that you can use anytime burnout hits. Step 1. One hand on your chest, one on your stomach. Reconnect mind and body. Step 2. Slow breath through your nose. Imagine sinking deep into your belly. And pause. And step 3, exhale through your mouth. And let your shoulders drop. And just relax. And step 4, visualize a soft light in your chest. Gold, white, teal, green, whatever feels calming for you. Step 5, expand that light. Chest, stomach, shoulders, back, the whole body. And step 6, whisper, come back home. Burnout isn't about doing too much. It's about being disconnected from yourself. These resets your nervous system and realigns your energy field. These 3 hidden energetic blocks behind burnout. Number 1. I must carry everything myself identity. Creates tension in your solar plexus. Healing, releasing what isn't yours to carry. Number 2, the overgiving heart chakra. Your kindness becomes your exhaustion. Healing, strengthen boundaries. Receive as much as you give. Number 3, the disconnected intuition. Life becomes effort instead of flow. Healing, reconnect through silence. Nature, breathwork. When these heal, burnout loses its grip. Before we wrap up, I want to know this. If this kind of work resonates with you, the energy healing, the burnout recovery, the energy alignment work, this is exactly what I guide people through inside of my Skool community, the energetic revolution. It is where we go deeper into weekly recalibration practices, energetic boundaries, nervous system healing, and the kind of conversation that helps high achievers return to clarity and inner power. If you want a place where you are supported in rebuilding your energy and your alignment, you are welcome to join us anytime. If you are watching this because you are tired, drained, or just you don't feel like yourself anymore, please know there is nothing wrong with you. You're simply energetically exhausted. And exhaustion is treatable. Alignment is rebuildable. Your energy can be absolutely be restored. If this video supported you, let me know in the comments which part resonated you the most today. If this video spoke to you, hit subscribe and join me here on Unparalleled Lifestyle, where we talk about energy, clarity and the path to aligned success. Protect your energy, honour your alignment, and I'll see you in the next video. Many blessings, wherever you are in the world.